Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be installing the Overkill throttle body. It's the 80mm throttle body from Overkill, once again. And I've gotten started a little bit. I've taken my elbow off of there and going to get going on this. So again, let's follow along. Alright, so I'm going to show you the size difference in the from the stock throttle body to the Overkill one. It's quite a difference there. Alright, let's continue on with this install. Okay, so we got the adapter plate cinched up on there. We can go ahead and move on to installing this, the new throttle body. And depending on which way you want it to go, you can go either direction with this thing when you guys put it on. You can have the plug on this side, or if you flip it over, which makes it closer to this plug. Otherwise you'd have to undo that clip, like I said, to flip it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on facing that direction, kind of simplify it a little bit. Alright, another thing, I have a cold air inductions cold air intake on here. And when you purchase the Overkill throttle body, it says to use the 3.5 elbow. So I made the mistake of thinking that I just needed another 3.5 elbow, but it's 3.5 to 3.5. So when you go to purchase an elbow for the thing, remember it's 3.5 to 3.5. And here's your stock. When you see it's like 3.5 to 2.5, I believe. Yeah, 2.5. So yeah, don't make the mistake I did of buying the exact same thing that it's already on your car. So it's 3.5 to 3.5. And also I came into finding that when you get the Overkill throttle body, that everything gets moved out almost a good inch there. So now you got to remember that your throttle body is now pushed out this way, so your angle changes on your intake. Alright, so we got that all installed. Go ahead and hook your MAF filter back, or MAF connection back up. Be sure and push the red tab back down so it's locked in place. Then we're get the air filter on, and we get this screwed on, and then we're ready to try and start the vehicle up. For the last step, we're going to get our air filter screwed on to the intake. So it's all nice and tight, so you don't get any air leaks. Because any other air leaks in your intake system is going to throw your MAF off, and it's not going to run right. So there we go. We've completed the task of there's our installation. So got the Overkill throttle body installed. Everything's tightened down. As you can see, I've got some heat, what they call heat tape or heat wrap on here. It does help. It's knocked it down about 7, I think about 7 or 8 degrees. I did with the laser temperature reader. So that does help, especially here in Arizona where I live at. So alright, so we got that. As you can see, I'm missing the top on this and my cover. I'm in the process of doing some hydro drip on those. So I will show you that stuff in the future in another video. So once again, hope you like this. Please comment, like, share, help me grow this channel. I'm just a single person out here trying to, show how to do stuff on their Camaro. Really help me out. Thank you.